Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're at Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel, Ray. Ray's our tour guide today. We are at Stumpy Meadows Lake here in Whitworth Springs. I think it's Whitworth Springs. We're heading up to Uncle Tom's Cabin, and gorgeous ride so far. Absolutely gorgeous. It's nice to get back to forest land because ours has been burned all down. They've had some big wildfires up here. Actually, you can see right behind us, there's actually a little wildfire that had run through there in a while. But we're going to be heading up this direction. I'm on the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, little 690 Supermoto, and then, of course, the BMW S1000R.
Again.
Watch. You want to see triggered? Where's your Aprilia, babe?
I don't want to talk about it.
I'm ready. You're ready. He's ready to roll. We're working these tires just a little bit. So coming up here, we'll do a quick little talk, and then we'll pick this back up when we get to Uncle Tom's Cabin. That's my. He said that's my cue to start this video. He goes so, but the ride up here has been gorgeous so far. So we have been through some tight technical stuff, but then we also grabbed some of this road. So he's like, this is like sport bike heaven. So 14 miles of this. So let's get up to Uncle Tom's Cabin and then we'll resume the video. All right, you guys, welcome to Uncle Tom's Cabin. Apparently is back there. I'm not sure who Uncle Tom is, but great ride up so far. And now we're into some stuff that Ray said we're gonna absolutely love. So let's see, let's go down. Let's just bring you guys up to speed on what's been going on. We've got some stuff going on in the garage. We've got some stuff. Just stuff, man, just stuff. So first, huge shout out to Ray. Thank you, Ray, for bringing us out here. We've never been up. We're in the Sierra Mountains, so we're kind of heading up towards Nevada is where we are right now. So we've never been up here. We've been up here once, but through Georgetown. We've never been up this far. So beautiful roads, and the surface is just so great because obviously big trucks don't come through here and stuff. So very, very nice roads. I love them. Let's see, just to bring you guys up to speed on Wagner's Tuono, because we talked about that. It has some goodies going on the bike, and we bought some goodies from somebody we usually don't buy from, and they didn't tell us that we needed something else for the goodies, so we weren't able to put the goodies on. So stay tuned, because the Tuono is getting some love. It sounds like Wagner is actually keeping that bike as her primary, and I think we are. I think we're going to be selling the BMW, so the S1000R. So Tuono also was out on track with the Streetfighter, and I did some great comparison videos, but I ended up blowing out my mic on the videos, and the sound quality sucked so bad that I couldn't even salvage it. So I apologize. I really wanted to do an on track, and I've been to the track 2 times this year with both the bikes to do the on track comparison, and it just wasn't meant to be because I'm not able to bring you guys the videos. So we will get that Tuono once the goodies are on it. We will get the Tuono and the Streetfighter out on one of these roads that we can do a comparison on the street, because I've not ridden the bike on the street, the Tuono, but the Streetfighter, of course, I love this thing. So I've got some more goodies coming up for the Streetfighter, so stay tuned, because we've got some other things being installed soon. So stay tuned for that. Let's see, dyno results. We have the up map finally in here. And I rode, okay, so the last riding videos you guys saw before the track day, which was a couple weeks ago, some of you guys may have caught that I had mentioned that I went down one sprocket in the front. And when I went and did some Instagram shots in San Francisco, I didn't film anything because I just really was going to take pictures. But it was the day after I had gotten the up map put in. So I rode it to the city and I didn't like it down one with the up map. I felt like it was too much. So before we went to Shiv's and did the dyno comparison between the Streetfighter, I actually went back to stock gearing on this thing, and I'm still tossed up about it. I think I would have really liked today to bend down one down in the tooth up here. So I don't know. So comment down below. What do you guys think? I think this is really good, but you know, the 7,000-8,000 mark, that one down in the front really just it's just so great. So I don't know, maybe I'll compromise and go up a tooth or two in the rear. I don't know. So over to Shiv's we went this week, and you guys have seen that video, and I know it triggered some people for the claim that I've made, but right now, per dyno, the claim is actually 100% true. I currently have the highest output Ducati or any Hyper Naked out on the market currently. More horsepower than Shiv was able to produce with his full Akrapovic system and up map tune on his V4R. 200 and nearly 4 horsepower to the wheel on the same dyno in about the same conditions as Shiv did on his V4R. So, and in a 203, I think he said 202 was what he produced on his R. Those are pretty basic, pretty good numbers. So to be able to produce as much as we did, it's pretty amazing. So let's regroup. Of course, I know we lost Bogna. So let's regroup, and we'll pick this back up where we're going. I think we're going right. I think he said we're going to a lake. So yeah, it's good. So let's pick this up. Let's figure out where we're going to go, and then we'll be right back. All right, so we are going to Loon Lake this way. So Ray said we got a little bit of bumpy up ahead, but he says just a short little spot on the road, and then it gets kind of nice. So bear with the bumps, but back to Shiv, back to the dyno. So yeah, pretty impressive to see that this thing, even with the stop map, and you know, I told you guys that the bike really runs really good once this thing gets going with the stock map. It really actually wasn't, it ran great, and sure enough, I mean, we're pulled 190 with the Sprint air filter and the slip-on exhaust, so the ECU really kind of self-adjusted pretty well. So but there were some dips that you could see where Shiv said, you know, the ECU's looking for the flapper, and it's not there. So it's, you know, the stock ECU is kind of like it's thinking it's the flapper's there and it's going to help it, but it's not. So yeah, tuned up the M torque Well, a little bit disappointing. It produced a teeny bit, but not something that I would have paid the $236 US or 199 euro. If I would have seen what I saw, I would have taken the free performance map and called that a day. So personally, so yeah, so we are producing good big power, and it feels really good. It's got linear power up, so I'm happy with it. It fixed what I wanted to fix. But of course, we'll get, Shiv said he's going to be able to dial this thing in just a little bit better for us when he gets his tune going. He's got his tech working on him now, and once he gets it and is able to get it into the bikes, then what's nice is he's going to be able to do individual tuning. So he'll be able to tune this bike to the best of its abilities, and producing the power that it is, he's got some high hopes for this bike. So, and this is one of the original bikes. You know, I've got this on the first shipment, and a lot of people complained about some certain things that the second shipment bikes and what they're calling the 2021s have a little bit different kind of tunings and stuff like that. So I don't know. I'm on the original, so I love it. And let's see, also by this time, you guys have seen that I now am the proud owner of a 2020 Yamaha MT-03. And I know you guys are like, you guys think it's just ridiculous, but that's exactly what it is. I'm gonna make that bike so damn ridiculous. You guys have to follow that MT-03 build, please, because it's gonna be just such an epic build. And I'm gonna come up here and be able to do some pretty decent things with that thing, I think. So stay tuned, the MT-03. It was a blast to test ride yesterday, or not even test ride, the first ride. So we just picked it up. So stay tuned. But what a beautiful ride up here again. Ray, thanks so much for bringing us up here. It's been very nice to kind of get away. We're a little bit out of our element. Obviously, I'm kind of trying to still figure my way around because I'm used to my roads, and being that I've never been up here. Oh, look at that. So a little hazy today. You guys see we do have another forest fire in Napa, which is in Calistoga, where we usually ride from up to Middleton. It's wreaking havoc through there just on the other side of Lake Hennessy, which is what burned a couple weeks ago, or a month ago. Really unfortunate, but you know, these fires start and it's not that big of a deal, but they get driven by the wind, which comes through here right about now and really moves those things pretty quick. So gorgeous. Oh, I love this kind of area. I love the rocks and the trees, and I love it. Oh yeah, this is super rad. It's almost hard to ride. I just want to look at everything. I did a quick little ride yesterday on the HP2 Sport. I didn't film it, but I went with my cousin. He's on his Harley, and a couple of his friends. They wanted to go on a ride with me up to Berryessa. So the pace was quite a bit down. So I was able to look around, and God, the destruction up there is it's pretty crazy, but absolutely gorgeous up here. I love it. We'll have to come back. We'll have to bring you guys back. So we're coming into, we're at the beginning of October right now. So we've got about another month of good weather based on this year. I mean, we're I think about 80 degrees today. which is a little bit warm. It's been warm this week for the first week of October. Personally, you know, living here all my life, we get a couple days, but all week it was almost 100 all week. So. Gorgeous. So I have been running the Up Map app for you guys. Give you guys a little look at this thing. Ah, yeah, super cool. Little power plant. Ah, there's the lake. Loon Lake, in El Dorado County National Forest. So we're on federal land now. Ah, restrooms, perfect. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get you guys a good view, but as you guys can see it when we pulled up. But this is great. This is great. Ray, thank you for the magnificent ride up here. Gorgeous. The duck is hot, 215 degrees. Ray, awesome ride, brother. Awesome ride. How'd you love it? Love it, love it? It was great.
I would take you up over here, but this is all gravelly. I don't want to overlook the lake.
No, it's good. So Loon Lake up here, but here we are in the Ducati. Clear clutch cover on, carbon fiber wheels. If you guys haven't seen the build on this thing, you guys have to go back on that playlist. But do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and of course ring the bell notification. We've got the MT-03 build coming. We've got that probably leaving because we've got the Aprilia build coming, and we just got some stuff coming over the winter. We've got some stuff for the Super Beast. You diesel guys, if you guys are around, Super Beast has got some stuff going in. We're going up higher on the Super Beast, so that's going to be nice. We got a few things going on with the Q60, but stick around for more vids. We appreciate your views, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.